Oh, that's good painting, buddy.
That looks great. Look, you could do a cross. Look at that.
It's good painting.
Cross Mommy did. You're doing a good job. What color is this?
Red.
Red.
Wow.
Isn't Mommy doing painting?
Look, Mommy's doing squiggles.
I'm gonna do a squiggle.
You're gonna do squiggles too? You're doing a good job. Here, you could do some over here on this white spots.
All right, Gray. Good work.